guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing an experiment. Today we are doing how to just like make your own fingerprints. So first you'll be needing, so what you need is some big old paper. It's okay if it's like any kind of paper actually. So yeah. Next, you'll be needing scotch tape, just like a little piece. It's supposed to be just like the clear scotch tapes, only like clear, not like any kind of tape. So you also be needing is this pencil right here, and then let's go and do this experiment. Alright, so first what you want to do is get this pencil, and then you shade a lot on this on your paper, and then I'll be back and you can see the paper being shaded. Alright, so here I'm shading it right here. Shading it so it's like really dark and stuff, like really dark. Alright, so after you shaded it, it should look like really dark and stuff. So you push your finger or thumb, push it really tight. Yeah, push it like really tight until it looks like black like this. So then, when you get your scotch tape, and then, so you get your scotch tape, and then you get your black finger, and then you push that finger on the scotch tape and push it really tight, and then take out the scotch tape, and there are your fingerprints. But we're not done yet. We're still getting this paper, the paper, and then you get your scotch tape, stick it in there, and then you have your own fingerprints. There you go. And you can really see that detail, but I don't know if the camera's catching it. So yeah, thank you so much, and enjoy some more videos. Alright, bye. Please subscribe.